Today in this video we will see how to change your username on Instagram. You can easily change your Instagram username by following two steps. First step is open your Instagram account, then click on profile icon. Here you can see your username. Let me show you how to change your this username in Instagram, and just click on edit profile. Here you can see different things. First thing is name and second is username. Just click on username and rename your Instagram username, and I select this. After selecting this, this username is a label, just click on, and finally successfully your username in Instagram finally change. And just refresh this page. If you change another, just click on edit profile and add your username, and then click on plus icon. And this is the simple process to change your username in Instagram. If you like this video, share with friend. If you want to watch all Instagram tips and tricks video related to Instagram, kindly check my channel playlist. And if you have any queries, then comment below. See you in the next video. Goodbye.